Have you ever cooked cabbage this way?
Today's recipe is cabbage salad. It is filled with all good nutrients and it's completely oil-free recipe.
Then why delay? Let's make this delicious steamed cabbage salad. So let's start making.
So I'm Bhavna and you're watching Upscale Health.
So you just saw I've taken a pot filled with water and I'm adding shredded cabbage in it. And we are going to steam this for around until the water just starts to boil and the cabbage is just tender. You don't have to overcook the cabbage, it has to be just slightly tender, and you're going to switch off the flame. Cabbage is filled with multivitamins. It's very nutritious. Sinigrin, a sulfur compound that's shown to protect against cancer, is found in cabbage. Studies show those who consume cabbage regularly have least risk of developing diabetes. Now you're seeing that water has just started boiling and cabbage is tender. So I'm going to switch off the flame and we are going to stain this immediately. I've taken a stainer and I've kept a pot below it because this water is very nutritious and delicious. You can just add little salt and pepper and drink this like a soup. It's very nutritious.
You can also use this as a vegetable broth in any of your noodle recipes. Next I'm going to saute onion, carrot and beetroot. I have not added any oil to this, just I'm going to roast it on low flame. If you feel that the vegetables are sticking, then you can just add 1 teaspoon oil of your choice, preferably any cold pressed oil. Saute this for a couple of minutes and it will be done. Now you can see that they are cooked well and you can just switch off the flame. And that's it, friends. Next we are going to just assemble all the vegetables together, combined vegetables together. So I've taken the steam cooked cabbage. Next I'm adding sauteed vegetables. Next to this I'm going to add chopped tomato for a tangy flavor. This is completely optional. You can also add some chopped avocado. So next I'm adding cilantro, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, and at last I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So this coconut oil is very beneficial for your health. It improves your cognitive function. It is filled with full of fatty acids that your body needs. Hence adding a bit of it is very beneficial. So now mix all the ingredients well and your salad is ready to eat. So for plating, I'm taking a cup of rice, some rasam and our cabbage salad.